Sa patuloy na pagsulong ng Philippine National Police sa advokasiyang kalusugan, pagkakaisa at pagpapalakas ng komunidad, matagumpay na naisagawa ang dance fitness activity o Zumba for a Cause nitong Nobyembre 7 taong kasalukuyan sa HSL Braille College Incorporated, Barangay Katparan, Taguig City. Pinangunahan ng PNP Dance and Fitness Team or Picado NCR personnel ang makulay at masiglang aktibidad na nagbigay saya at enerhiya sa mga estudyante, magulang at guro ng nasabing paaralan.
So, ang activity po namin for today is about Zumba, and we make it Zumba for a Cause. Let's dance for a purpose para po sa fundraising activity namin to help the APSAM delegates of the elementary pupils in competition at the Baguio City. So, we come up po with Zumba for a Cause para financially matulungan namin yung mga participants namin sa Baguio City. And we are very much thankful to the PNP Dance and Fitness Team na nagbigay aliw, nagbigay saya, nagbigay ng energy sa amin ngayong araw. Truly, nakakatuwa, nakakataba ng puso. We are beyond grateful po sa presence nila dahil talaga naman naging meaningful ang aming Zumba for a Cause.
Ang aktibidad na ito ay isang patunay ng pagkikiisa ng kapulisan sa layunin ng mas malusog at mas masayang Pilipinas. Sa bawat hakbang at galaw, pinapalaganap ang mensahe ng pagkakaisa at malasakit sa komunidad.
We are very glad that the PNP is not only protecting the people, secure the people, but also its involvement in the health and welfare, not only of the community, but of course the students and our parents. So I'm very grateful that this program through the Philippine National Police is able to really engage this kind of activity so that our students and parents will not only think of policemen as persons or servants on the streets, but they're also people or our public servants who are really engaged and concerned of the welfare, especially the health of our students and the school community through this program, Zumba. So thank you so much, Philippine National Police, and really we are very appreciative of the efforts you made today because it does not only make us happy, but this is really a very Merry Christmas to all of us. So again, thank you and God bless all of us.
Ang Picado NCR ay nanatiling katuwang sa pagpapalaganap ng kalusugan, sigla at diwa ng pagbabago tungo sa bagong Pilipinas. Mula dito sa HSL Braille College, Taguig City, ako po ang inyong PNN correspondent, Patrolwoman Christine Billones, alagad ng batas, tagataguyod ng Balitang Pulis.